fucking idiot!
Boulevard. In 1.3 kilometers, turn left onto Dalton Road.
Fucking idiot. Cuts in front of a car going straight. What a fuckwit.
There he goes again.
Fucking Jesus Christ!
Oh, nice manoeuvre. Fucking. Woo!
Fuck with.
Holy fuck! Woo! Fuck me dead!
5-minute power check, and that's why it's a great idea. And right now you can buy 4 Toyo passenger or SUV tyres for the price of 3 with Tyre Power's end of financial year sale this month only. Search Tyre Power for your nearest store.
Start event recording.
Maniac.
Oh! Fuck! Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
To help you get your budget back on track, we're offering you a select range of genuine half-price bargains. Yes, never before has National Tiles cut so deep to help you get your new home or renovation back on budget. But you'll have to be quick. These half-price bargains will sell like hotcakes. It's a genuine case of first in, best dressed.
She's on the phone driving, doing 60k. Seriously, her hands were all on the phone, on the steering wheel. at this guy, look at this dickhead. Right. What a fucking loser, he's in the left lane as well. Thank fuck for ABS. The ABS works. He's gonna freaking kill someone, dude.
Yeah.
Look, it's got a thing on the oh. You're a dick. An absolute dick, mate.
Fucking hell.
You got a video of him?
Yeah.
What the fuck, man? Is the driver in there? Are you the driver?
That's
No,
the
he's
driver.
the driver there. And he's a dick.
What's happened?
What do you mean what's happened? You're fried, mate.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Stay here until, have you got, call the cops, bud. Call the cops.
It was an accident.
Was not an accident, you peanut. There's kids around, mate. You would have killed someone.
Out of control.
Can you pull over here, mate, and call the police?
Yeah.
Straight
Out
away.
of control. I didn't have anything to do with it.
Colleen, move away. Colleen.